Why are some people seemingly irresistible while others struggle to hold on to a relationship? Is it all about looks, or is there a deeper psychological secret? Let's take a moment to ponder upon the enigma that is human attraction. It is a complex concoction of emotions, behaviors, and thoughts, isn't it? We're drawn to some individuals like bees to honey, while for others, despite their best efforts, maintaining a relationship seems like a Herculean task. What is it that sets these individuals apart? Are they more physically attractive? Or perhaps they possess a secret ingredient that keeps their partners hooked? This is where the intriguing realm of psychology steps in. It unveils to us that attraction is not merely a matter of physical beauty or charm. It delves deeper, touching upon the intricate workings of the human mind. It paints a picture of attraction as a dance between two souls, a delicate balance of give and take. We're about to venture into the world of psychological secrets that can enhance attraction and maintain a relationship. These are not your everyday tips, but rather, dark secrets that have been meticulously studied and observed over the years. These secrets tap into the subconscious desires and needs that we all have, but often fail to recognize. From the power of leadership to the art of sensitivity, from giving space to the push-pull method, each secret holds the potential to transform your relationships and make you simply irresistible. But it's important to remember that these secrets are not manipulative tricks. They are tools to foster understanding, respect, and genuine connection. They should be used with care, integrity, and consideration for the other person's feelings and well-being. After all, a relationship is a journey of two hearts, not a game to be won. So, are you ready to delve deeper into the mystery of attraction? Are you prepared to understand what makes a person irresistibly attractive? Are you eager to discover how you can sustain the sparks in your relationship? Stay tuned as we unravel the top 10 dark psychological secrets to keeping a woman attached and in love with you. Before we delve deeper into the power of leadership, let's take a moment to discuss the art of communication. It's no secret that good communication is the bedrock of any successful relationship. But what does good communication truly entail? It's not merely about exchanging words. It's about using the right words at the right time and in the right manner. It's about expressing your thoughts and feelings clearly, without fear or hesitation. It's about listening actively, showing genuine interest, and responding empathetically. It's about understanding and respecting your partner's perspective, even when it differs from your own. Good communication builds trust, fosters understanding, and strengthens the bond between two people. It can turn a casual conversation into a meaningful connection. It can transform an argument into an opportunity for growth. It can make the difference between a fleeting attraction and a lasting relationship. So if you want to be irresistibly attractive, hone your communication skills. Learn to express yourself effectively. Learn to listen attentively. Learn to understand and respect different perspectives. Your words can be your most powerful tool in the art of attraction. Now let's move on to another crucial aspect of attraction: the power of leadership. Leadership, a quality often associated with success and power, but did you know it also plays a crucial role in attraction? Imagine this: you're at a bustling restaurant, the waiter is nowhere in sight, people are growing restless. Suddenly a man at a nearby table stands, calmly gets the attention of the staff and resolves the issue. He's not loud or aggressive, but his confidence and control of the situation are undeniable. The room goes back to its usual chatter, but now, eyes linger on him, admiration in their gaze. That's the power of leadership. It's not just about being in charge, but the ability to handle situations with grace and decisiveness. It's about making others feel at ease, knowing they can rely on you. This aura of trust and respect is incredibly attractive. A man who leads not only commands respect but also sparks attraction. In a world that often equates sensitivity with weakness, could it be a secret weapon in the game of love? Let's debunk the myth of the stoic, unfeeling man as the ultimate symbol of attraction. Sensitivity, when expressed appropriately, is a potent tool in creating a deep, emotional connection. Imagine being able to truly understand your partner's needs, their fears, their dreams. Isn't that a form of intimacy far more compelling than the mere physical? You see, sensitivity isn't about being overly emotional or weak. It's about being attuned to the subtle cues, the unspoken words, the quiet desires. It's about empathy, understanding, and respect. A sensitive man is not afraid to express his feelings, to show vulnerability, to admit when he's wrong. This kind of openness invites trust, fosters a safe space for mutual growth, and enhances attraction. A man who is sensitive can create a bond that goes beyond the physical, ensuring a deeper attachment. Could giving a woman space be the secret to keeping her attracted and in love? A profound question, and the answer may surprise you. In the dance of attraction, space plays a captivating role. It's not merely about physical distance, but also about providing emotional and mental breathing room. Consider this. In the absence of something, we often yearn for it even more. This longing, this anticipation, it all serves to fuel the flames of attraction. When you give a woman space, you're not pushing her away. Rather, you're creating a vacuum, a void that only you can fill, and in your absence, her desire for you grows. Space allows for personal growth, for individuality to thrive. It's about trust and respect, about understanding that love isn't about ownership, but partnership. Remember, absence makes the heart grow fonder. Space, as it turns out, is not just a physical concept, but a psychological necessity in maintaining attraction. Ever heard of the push-pull method? It's a psychological tactic that keeps attraction alive. Picture a dance, a tango if you will, where two dancers move in sync, but also create a tantalizing distance. That's exactly what the push-pull method is all about. It's an art of alternating between showing interest and stepping back, a rhythm that keeps a relationship vibrant and exciting. Imagine this. One moment you're showing affection, expressing your feelings, making your partner feel valued, and then, just as they get comfortable, you take a step back. You give them a chance to miss you, to long for your presence. This creates a magnetic pull that draws them towards you. Remember, the push-pull method isn't about playing games, it's about maintaining a balance, a dance of attraction. It's about keeping the mystery alive, making sure the flame of passion never dies down. The push-pull method, a dance of attraction that keeps the flame burning. Why are bad boys often irresistible? Could their appeal lie in dark psychological secrets? Let's delve into the bad boy theory. This theory suggests that certain traits often associated with bad boys can be incredibly attractive. These traits include confidence, unpredictability, and a sense of adventure. Confidence is magnetic. It's a trait that commands respect and attention. Bad boys often ooze confidence, and that can be remarkably captivating. Then there's unpredictability. Predictability can lead to boredom in a relationship, but bad boys keep you guessing, and that can be thrilling. Lastly, a sense of adventure. Bad boys are often seen as adventurous, willing to take risks, and that can be excitingly attractive. They push boundaries and invite their partners into a world full of new experiences and challenges. However, it's essential to remember that these traits, when balanced with respect and kindness, are what make a relationship truly fulfilling and long-lasting. The bad boy theory, a paradox that continues to fascinate and confound. Silence, often overlooked, yet it holds immense power in the realm of attraction. It is not the absence of noise, but rather a profound statement of presence. Silence in a relationship is like the pause in music that enhances the melody. It's the quiet space that allows intrigue to bloom and mystery to flourish. It's not about playing hard to get or withholding communication. It's about understanding that sometimes words can get in the way of true connection. It's about the unspoken understanding, the shared glances, the silent moments that hold more meaning than 1,000 words ever could. Silence can create a magnetic pull, a space for the other person to lean into, to wonder, to yearn. It encourages curiosity, sparks imagination, and allows emotions to deepen. It is a dance of mental and emotional attraction, a subtle play of push and pull. Silence, a powerful tool in the game of attraction. Fun and excitement, not just for thrill seekers, but also a key to keeping attraction alive. Picture this, a relationship devoid of laughter, thrills, and surprises. Sounds dull, doesn't it? That's because it is. Being fun, playful, and exciting is not about constant jest or mindless thrill-seeking. It's about bringing vibrancy into everyday life. It's about turning a routine grocery run into an impromptu dance-off in the cereal aisle. It's about transforming a mundane drive home into a game of I Spy. It's about keeping the spirit of adventure alive, even in the smallest of moments. Such lightheartedness brings an element of unpredictability, a spark that keeps the relationship vibrant and alive. It makes every day a new experience, and every experience a cherished memory. It builds an unspoken bond, a shared joy that only the two of you understand. Remember, a relationship without fun and excitement is like a song without a melody. It simply doesn't echo in the heart. Fun and excitement, the lifeblood of attraction. Positive energy, more than just a buzzword, it's a fundamental element in the psychology of attraction. This potent force is all about creating an atmosphere of happiness and desire in a relationship. It's like electricity, invisible yet powerful, lighting up the bond between two people. Let's delve a little deeper. Imagine a world filled with laughter, smiles, and optimistic conversations. That's the magic of positive energy. It's the beacon that guides your relationship through stormy seas and into calm waters. It's the spark that ignites passion and keeps it burning bright. Positive energy is not about ignoring the bad, it's about facing challenges with a smile, turning the negatives into opportunities for growth. It's about being a beacon of light in a world that can sometimes be dark and stormy. In the dance of love, positive energy is the rhythm that keeps your feet moving, the melody that plays in your heart. It makes every moment spent together a special one, each memory a cherished treasure. Positive energy, the secret sauce that keeps the relationship fresh and exciting. Safety and protection, basic human needs, but did you know they also play a crucial role in attraction and love? Indeed, the psychological need for safety and protection is deeply ingrained in all of us. We all yearn for a haven, somewhere we can let our guard down, feel loved, and be ourselves without fear of judgment or harm. This is no different in the context of a romantic relationship. When a woman feels safe and protected, she's more likely to open up emotionally. This openness can enhance attraction, fostering a deeper connection between her and her partner. Providing this sense of safety isn't about being the strongest or the most dominant. It's about creating a space where she feels valued, respected, and most importantly, secure. It's about being a steady presence, being reliable, and being trustworthy. It's about showing her that you can be her rock, her safe harbor in the storm of life. Safety and protection, the cornerstones of a strong, loving relationship.